More and more companies want to relieve their employees of monotonous tasks and therefore use robots in assembly preparation. These then take over tasks such as the applying of adhesive tapes or adhesive promoters, where precision is required. For the robot-assisted applying process, the experts at Glaub develop flexible applying heads that are tailored to the customer's specific requirements. By years of practical experience and know-how, the primer pen exchange system was created. The primer pen can be used to prepare the adhesion primer wherever physical surface activation cannot be used. Adhesion-promoting substances are applied to the substrate chemically in highly diluted form to increase the surface energy. Several pens with activator are provided via an exchangeable magazine. This allows continuous production without the need for extensive cleaning in between. After the last pen has been taken, the operator receives a signal and refills the empty pens. The robot applies the chemical activator precisely and cleanly, with reliable repeatability, reducing the handling of hazardous materials in the employee's direct work environment. You want to automate your production processes with a robot or need support with your applying solutions? Contact us, Glaub, we ensure manufacturing sites.